Hi everyone, welcome to the Droid G channel. Today's video will explain to you how to unlock Samsung phone with broken screen. The mobile phone screen is the most important way we interact with the mobile phone. Our viewing, clicking and touching are all closely connected with the screen. But if your Samsung phone has been dropped in an accident, and the screen has cracked, your Samsung phone may require you to re-enter your unlock code, PIN or pattern lock. You know all your unlock codes but you can't enter them. You may find that your screen no longer works because the touch screen is broken. At this time, how to unlock Samsung phone if the touch is not working? We're here to help. You can walk through the several how to unlock Samsung phone with cracked screen solutions in this video and attempt them one by one. The steps in this video apply to Samsung A, S, and Z series smartphones. Hope they can do you a favor. There's no denying that the most vulnerable piece of hardware in a Samsung phone is the display. While mobile phone screen manufacturers are strengthening touchscreen glass, Samsung mobile phone users may also be purchasing mobile phone protective cases or screen accident insurance through consumption. Even so, there is still a risk that your Samsung phone screen will crack and stop working under certain unexpected circumstances. If your Samsung phone screen is not working, it also means that you may not be able to access your Samsung phone and all the data on your Samsung device. Do you have questions? How to access Samsung phone if the screen is broken? If your Samsung phone screen is cracked or unresponsive, there is no need to panic. We will tell you that there are many ways to unlock a Samsung phone with a broken screen even if the screen is broken. In this video, we will provide you the specific steps on how to access Samsung phone with a broken screen. You can try them one by one. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to use your face recognition to unlock your phone. When your Samsung phone touch screen is not working and is cracked, the first way to be able to unlock a Samsung phone with cracked screen is to use face recognition unlocking. As long as you meet the requirements, you can use face recognition to unlock a Samsung Galaxy phone with broken screen when the screen is not working. This method is simple and very efficient. If you need to use face recognition to unlock your Samsung phone for free, your Samsung phone must have the screen not working before setting it up. Now, you need to wait for the lock countdown to end, and after it ends, turn on the phone and then align the Samsung phone with your eyes. It should be possible to unlock a Samsung phone with a cracked screen if the screen is not cracked enough to recognize a face. Method 2 is to use Smart Lock to unlock your phone. Smart Lock feature is available on Samsung devices, which is a convenient way to bypass PIN, pattern or password under certain conditions. Smart Lock function can help you solve the problem of how to unlock a Samsung phone with broken screen. But you must set it up in advance. If you have enabled the Smart Lock feature on your phone before the Samsung phone is locked, it allows the device owner to unlock the Samsung phone in a trusted location, near a trusted device, and on body detection. You can unlock your Samsung phone without losing your data. For example, if you've set up Smart Lock to use your home address as a trusted location, you can take your phone home and it will automatically unlock whenever you're near that address, without the need for an unlock code. If you set up a Samsung phone to be unlocked near a trusted device, then the locked Samsung phone will be unlocked near the trusted device. If you set up on body detection, the locked Samsung phone can be unlocked normally as long as it is close to your body or the temperature reaches the unlocking standard. Method 3 is to use Samsung's Find My Phone service. Samsung also offers a free feature of its Find My Mobile service, which, as the name suggests, helps you find your mobile device. You can remotely unlock your mobile device by visiting the Find My Mobile website, which will require the use of your computer. Its functions include the function of deleting data from Samsung mobile phones. The delete data function can solve the problem of unlocking a Samsung phone with broken display. If you need the data on your phone, please back it up in advance, otherwise you will lose all your data. You also need to know your Samsung account and password and be logged in on your Samsung phone. You also need to make sure there is a Wi-Fi or cellular data connection, after the phone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Please turn on your computer. Next, we need to use the computer to reset the Samsung phone password through Find My Phone. Please follow the steps below. Open the search engine on your computer, navigate to findmymobile.samsung.com, and log into your Samsung account and password on the web login page. After logging in, you will enter a new interface. In the upper left corner of the new interface is your device information. Please confirm whether it is the Samsung phone that currently needs to delete data. If not, please replace it and select the device. The upper right corner is the functional area, which includes the Delete Data option, which will delete all data in the Samsung phone. Please click the Delete Data option. After clicking, you will see a new window and ask you to enter the verification code. Please follow the prompts to complete all steps. Once completed, your Samsung phone will begin the reset process. Your Samsung phone will automatically return to the home screen, and all screen locks on your phone, including pattern locks, pins, passwords, and biometric information, will be deleted. Method 4 is to use Google Find My Device to unlock your Samsung phone. The method of using Google to find my device is the same as method 3, which will delete all the data in the Samsung phone and use the computer. Please back up the data you need before trying the steps, otherwise you will lose all data on your device. Google has a free service called Find My Device that can unlock a Samsung phone if the touch screen is not working. But you need to make sure you know your Google account and password. Additionally, you'll also want to make sure your Samsung phone location is turned on and connected to a data network or Wi-Fi. If you need to use Google Find My Device to solve the problem of forget password on Samsung mobile phones, first, you need to use your computer to visit google.com/android/device manager. In Google Find My settings you need to log into your Google account. Log into your Google account. After completing the above steps, please find and confirm your Samsung mobile phone information on the computer screen. There will be 3 options on the left side of the computer screen: ring, lock, and erase. The function we are using today is the erase function. The erase function will completely clear the information on your Samsung phone. Again, if there is necessary data in the Samsung phone, please back up the data first and then erase the data. Next, please click to erase the device. After clicking, the page will jump and the login interface will appear. At this time, you need to log into your Google account again. Please enter your Google account and password and click confirm. After the login is completed, the page will jump back to the Google Find My settings page. Here, please click erase device again. Erase device may require you to wait patiently for a while. While waiting for erasure, please note whether your Samsung phone is preparing or undergoing a reset. After the reset is complete, your Samsung phone will display the interface you used when you first opened the phone when you purchased it. At this point, your Samsung phone with screen not working and cracked screen is unlocked. Method 5 is to use Android Debug Bridge to unlock your Android phone. Android Debug Bridge is a client-server program used in Android application development. It can be used to manage Android devices, which makes it a great way to access Samsung phone with broken screen. However, to perform this technique you need to set up your Samsung phone for USB debugging before locking it. Additionally, the computer will ask for the permissions required to connect to the Android Debug Bridge. If you meet all these requirements, then you can adopt this method to resolve how to unlock broken screen on Samsung phone if screen not working issue. 1. Connect your device and computer using a USB cable to start the process. Now, press the Windows and R keys simultaneously. Release the keys when a box appears. Type CMD in the space provided in the box. Click OK and the command prompt window will appear. 2. Now, in the window, type the following command: adb shell rm/data/system/gesture.key. 3. After entering the command, please wait for CMD to complete the process. Once done you can restart your Samsung phone and you will see there is no lock screen and no password on the phone. Now you have unlocked your Samsung phone. Method 6 is to seek professional help. If you have exhausted all the above recovery options but failed to help you on how to unlock Samsung phone with broken screen, then take your phone to an official Samsung repair center to have it checked by professionals and get your Samsung phone reset to the home screen. That's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think there is anything we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.